Hello bestie, I welcome you all back to my channel. I am Aisha. In this video I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this crunch puff sleeve. Thank you all for your support. God bless you all. If you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Stay tuned to the end of the tutorial. These are the material I will be using. I have 1 yard of organza. I have this satin. This is the main satin that will be laying at the down of the organza. And this is the lining, taffeta, that I will use to line in it. I will be cutting the sleeve first with the taffeta. You fold it into two this way and fold it back. I will be cutting two sleeves. You check the wideness if it's okay. You drew a straight line for your starting point. The length I'm using is 10 inches. You can decide to make yours longer than this or shorter than this, depending on how you want it. I'll come to this side. I will be coming down by 3 inches. For us to create our sleeve cap, you curve it this way. I'll come to the down aspect. You take your round sleeve and add the hem seam allowance to it. That's the joining allowance, which is 1 inch. You shape it that way. I'll be cutting it out. You notch it at that point. I'll be placing it on the satin to cut it out. You can see we have the main sleeve and the lining. This is the organza. I will slit it into two for the two sleeve. You make it equal. We have it for the two sleeve. I'll pick the main body, which is the satin. You open it to the front aspect this way and lay the organza on it. You fold it into two and notch it at the midpoint. That's the center point. Same thing applies to the sleeve. You notch it at the upper part of the sleeve. You can see. And lay it on it this way. Use your office pin to hold it at that center point. Now I will be picking it and use the office pin to hold it. You pick it one by one and use your office pin to hold it down. If you are on this channel and you are not on the membership, you are missing. Being a member, you will have access to my special sewing tutorial. You will be given a badge that will signify you from others and you will be recognized in all my videos. What are you still waiting for? Click on the join button to be a member. You continue this process until you achieve what you want. Use your office pin to hold it in between. That's very important. This is it. I'm done with it. This is the back aspect. Now I will need to tack it down. You follow the pin. Where you pin is where you will tack. I will be using my machine to do that. You can as well use your hand needle to achieve that. You tack every point you pin. When you are doing this, make sure you are using a matching thread. That's very important. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button. I will be tacking it at the side. You can see. Tack it that way at the side. This is it. Now we'll come to the upper part of the sleeve. You will need to add some pleats to it at this upper part. You can see the way I'm adding it to it. This is it. You can see how full it is. Now we'll come to the down aspect, the round sleeve. This is the down aspect of the sleeve. You add pleats to it also. I'm done with the tacking. This is it. You can see how full it is. You cut out your thread for us to have a good finishing. This is it. Now I will need to trim off the upper part. Trim it off. You can see. You pick the one for the lining. This is the one for the lining. I will reduce the length by 1 inch. You cut it out. Now I will place it on it this way. I will join it at the round sleeve first together. You can see I've done that. Now I will top stitch on the lining. On the lining. I've done that. This is it. I will bring it together this way. You bring it together this way. This side, you bring the two sides together this way and use your office pin to hold it. You can see the lining and the main body. This is the center point. You can see. Make sure that point meets. I'll come to this point. This is the round sleeve. You measure your round sleeve there at that point. I've joined it. I'm trimming out the excess. Trim out the excess. This is it. You can see. Now you fold it. You fold the lining in this way. Make sure the point that will notch at the center point meets both the lining and the main fabric. You use your office pin to hold it together all round. I will place sewing on it all round. This is it. I've done that. You turn it to the front aspect. Our sleeve is ready. You can see it. You can fix it to your dress or your top. This is the end of the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or suggestion, you can drop it in the comment section below. Kindly subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Don't forget to click on the join button to have access to my special sewing tutorial video. Watch out for my next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.